And how do you pay?
We to receive money we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. Okay? This is Parami, and I am a digital marketer, and I do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, he audited your YouTube channel and on-page growth related issues, and he already mentioned what problem he found and send you an report sheet also. So if you want, then we can help you to fix that problem. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Okay, so what is the problem exactly?
Okay, main problem is your video quality is good, thumbnail quality is also awesome, but your video has some optimizations related issues, like your video title, meta descriptions, and meta text are not optimized properly, and you are not using high volume rank text to your videos. So that's why YouTube algorithm do not reach your video to your targeted audience. The main problem is there. So if you want, we can optimize your video metadata like meta descriptions, title, and tags, and we'll research high volume rank tags, and after that we also promote your videos to your targeted audience. And for that work, we have two packages mainly. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video including promotion, and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
Okay. Is it better to optimize newer videos because they haven't yet been posted on YouTube, or it's still good to optimize the older content?
Both of your content we can do optimizations, but if you want to do your new video, then you can go with that, no problem. But we can do your upcoming videos and already existing videos, both type of videos we can do.
Okay. And then yeah, recently in the whole month of November, I had almost no views. Like no one is coming to the channel. So it's been quite difficult because I think the content is good. So you think the main issue is the keywords and
Yeah, optimizations related issues, because your video are not reaching to your targeted audience. YouTube just
Mm.
freeze your channel because you are not optimized properly. So when we do optimize, then definitely algorithm will start to reaching your videos to your targeted audience, and definitely you will start to getting a good amount of views and subscribers.
We hired someone to help us with our channel, but it's maybe not the best because as you said, you know, you've seen some faults in the keywords. So what I will do is talk to my business partner about it and just say, you know, let's do the 7 day trial with you. The 10 video, sorry.
Okay, okay, no problem. Sounds good.
And then I'll get back to you shortly. But I think this is a good idea. And then I think, yeah, just the minimum package first, just to see how it's going.
Okay, sounds good. No problem. So definitely our main focus is our client satisfaction, and we believe that if I provide you the better service today, then definitely you will hire us for the next day, and we will try our best to grow your channel and do our best to provide you the better service. And no problem, you can start with the starter package and charge our work. And if you think that our process is working for you, then you can go for the monthly one. No problem. Team member will be on task with you, and he would be your contact person, and further communication will go through your Gmail. And our work starting system is, when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work.
Okay.
I mean, when you hire us, you can pay $60 in advance and rest of the $60
And how
after.
do you pay?
And we to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But if you do not know how to send money to Remitly or Western Union, you will get lot of tutorials on YouTube, or our team member will guide you. No problem.
Do you have like Wise or
Wise and PayPal is not support in our territory.
okay, we can figure that out.
And
Okay,
our
that sounds good because a problem that I've had in the past with hiring people is I'm looking at the description and the title, and of course it's looking good, maybe it's optimized, but it's not what the video entails. I don't want, for example, there's a video about the alphabet counting, the letters, and then in the description it's saying count to 10. That's not the video. It needs to be, optimized, but it still needs to be facts. People know they need to know what they're clicking on. I don't want to misinform people or trick them to watching it when that's not the truth. Because it's a kids channel, it's honest, I want it to be exactly what the video is. So I want,
Definitely,
the person
definitely. Yeah.
working on the video to watch it, understand what it is. So when they are, because I think in the past people hasn't actually watched the content and they're just writing what they think is going to be good. But that's
Yeah, I
not
see.
good
I see.
because it
I
has to
see.
be,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
So no problem. We will target your niche base, no problem, and we will not trick people, and we will be 100% honest and try to target your 100% targeted audience. And
Okay.
our work starting system is when you hire us, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links to us, then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet, then we will hand over to you, then you just implement to your videos by yourself. So which method you want to go, or with editor access or with the link?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll totally tell you soon. I just need to call my business partner after this and just double
Okay,
check that
okay, okay,
is what we
okay,
want to do because we are currently paying someone to do this work.
okay,
Um,
okay,
so we just need to have the conversation about what do we do.
okay, no problem. So you
Um,
discuss with your partner and let us know, and definitely
yeah, of course.
it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel and if we can work with you for a long time.
Okay, that sounds good. Because also I think it's best that you would look at competition and see, what are they writing? How are they getting their views? Because the children's channels are also different.
Yeah, we also research your competitor, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Cool. Thank you so much for your time. I'll get back to you. I'm actually quite sick today, but I will get back to you over the weekend or maybe
Okay,
even
okay.
tonight and let you know.
Okay, okay. So bye for
Okay.
now. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.